Hi everybody, my name is Marcus Tomlin, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add video for your site in Duda site editor. Let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on widgets. When you're going to be here, you want to write video. And now you have like a Zoom meeting here. That's like in our quarantine times, that's good. Maybe you're watching this like 2 years later, but in these times we got a quarantine because the virus and stuff. You have a video here and you want to just take it and paste it. So first, you just add the video here. Let's just find some video. I don't know what I got here. Oh, this is good. This is a song from Ozark TV show. Definitely, I recommend watching it. Perfect TV show, love it. Then you get like design, and you can change the spacing here. And put it like to the middle or anything. And you can have like full width, but if I take the full width, now it's bugged. Nice. Let's go to undo your edit. I don't think it's going to work even. Yeah. Column design. Yeah, I need to play around it again. Yeah, I need to, like, this is something when this happens. So what I need to do now is just like I completely deleted it. Okay, now go again and add it again. So we see it here. I'm going to add a video. You can go to design. Just be careful about, you can change the width here. And then you got spacing, but first we got the column design. This is video content. We want to have column design. You can have border here. We don't want corners, but we want to edit spacing, right? And this is what you want to edit. So here I recommend changing the column design. Don't change it from your video player. Always change the columns spacing. That's what's really important. So yeah, thank you everybody very much for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day. See ya and goodbye. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the description. No, I mean in comments, you know what I mean. I'm so lost sometimes.